Welcome back to Fox 8 News in the Morning. It's 9:40, 40 degrees. We got rain all day. We're going to get a check on the forecast with AJ coming up in just a little bit. So last month, President Trump imposed tariffs on aluminum and steel coming from China. Well, this week, China responded with taxes on American goods.
Now, the financial markets have dropped significantly. Some concerns about the economy, that volatility going on. So we bring in Bill Smith, CEO of W.A. Smith Financial Group, to kind of sort it all out for us and talk a little bit about it. Explain what a tariff is and why that's important coming in.
Well, first of all, it's a trade barrier. Yeah. It's a tax. Okay. And it's designed to kind of equalize things a little bit in terms of trade. And, you know, the current administration has talked for months in terms of equalizing that trade barrier or trade that we have with China. And I think these are some steps that they're taking to do so. I think the problem right now with the market is markets don't like uncertainty, right? Yeah. And so there's a lot of opinions flying around out there in terms of what they think, you know, the stock market's going to do. But we like to stick to fundamentals. When you look at the fundamentals, the economy is good. Yeah. Job growth has been fairly good. Wage growth is good. And so I think when you look at the profitability of companies, it's all going to come back to that. So whether this is a buying opportunity right now, or whether this is the start of a slide, if you will, for some sort of a short recession, we don't think so. Okay. But certainly, my crystal ball broke 25 years ago, right. And I think there's some things people should be doing right now.
Yeah, can you explain that? What should people be doing?
Well, first of all,
get ahead of the game, right?
Yes. Number one is know where you're at, have a plan, right? Yeah. So you have to know, if you're going to retire like this year, I would hope you would know how much risk you have. Because it could have a big impact. If you don't need your money right away, then certainly there could be an opportunity here. With the current tax laws, there's a great opportunity with the market being down right now to maybe potentially do some Roth conversions with some of the new tax brackets. Yeah. There's a great opportunity. So if we do see a bounce back up, how would you like to have that in a tax-free account in a Roth versus let's leave it in a qualified IRA or taxable account? So there's an opportunity there. If you're going to be retiring within the next 1, 2, 3 years, you really need to get a handle on how much risk that you have.
It'll be low risk right now because you don't want that to drop again.
Well, there's political risk, and that's really the factor that's driving this is the political risk behind it. But when you think about the fundamentals of the economy, the market, companies, think about the tax, the repatriation, all those good things that are happening. We've yet to see that priced into valuation. So the tariffs, what will it do? Ultimately, it's probably going to raise some prices. I mean, talking
in
15%.
Certain goods, so, right.
Correct,
so
yeah, food.
Give them example. Okay.
Food, yeah, 15% tariff on mostly food products, but then there's a 25% tariff that was imposed on
pork,
pork and some scrap aluminum. Yeah. There's like 6 or 7 other items in that list, but certainly I think that it'll all get worked out, and you know I'm sure that it's a bargaining tool right now for the current administration. But fundamentally, I think the economy still seems fairly strong to us. So.
That's awesome. Bill, thank you so much.
Thank you.
We appreciate kind of calming us down a little bit.
Yeah, we always like the insight on what we can all be concerned about.
I'm not going to panic.
I won't. You can get more information on W. Smith Financial and even request a portfolio stress test because stress is things that people are doing. Link on fox8.com. So, Bill, thanks. Great to see you.
Thank you, Todd.
Nice to meet you for the first time. Nice to sit down with you.
Speaking of